Hi, welcome back to Effective Corner. Today we'll learn how to pronounce this word. Can you pronounce? Give it a try. Okay, the pronunciation varies. In American accent and British accent, they are both different. So we'll learn how to pronounce in both ways. First of all, I'll be pronouncing according to British accent. They used to pronounce this word schedule. Schedule. This kind of sound. Schedule. Can you repeat? Yeah, sure. Thank you very much. Now, we're going to make a sentence in the latter part of the video. Before going that, I'll pronounce according to American accent. They used to pronounce in this way. Schedule. Can you hear that? I'm repeating. No worries. Schedule. Sk. Sk. They used to stress on the first part of the word. Schedule. Schedule. Okay, I think that's all for now. Now, we will apply these words in a sentence. Look over there. What about a schedule? What about the schedule? Can you recognize that? American? Right. What about the schedule? What about the schedule? Yeah, you're absolutely right. This is British one. So I hope you guys have understood the differences. So what's next? Yes, absolutely. Your duty is to practice in your sentences on the daily basis so that you can enhance your skill. Continue practicing. See you in another video. Thank you very much.